We continue. We are finding the sum to infinity of a geometric progression using the formula. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to use the formula to find the sum to infinity of a GP. Find the sum to infinity of the GP 20, 12, 36 over 5 and beyond. We will find the first sum and the common ratio first. So the common ratio, we get the second term divided by the first term. We can simplify this. 4 in 12 will give us 3. 20 divided by 4 will give us 5. So our common ratio is 3 over 5. The sum to infinity can be found because r is less than 1. So we know that this is the formula for finding our sum to infinity. We substitute 20, then we say 1 minus 3 over 5. So what we are going to have is 20 over 2 over 5. So 20 divided by 2 over 5. So 2 there 1, 2 there it's a 10. So we have a 50. So the sum to infinity will be 50. Okay, let's find the sum to infinity of the GP 2, negative 3, 3 over 4, whatever is beyond. So the first thing we need to do is find the first term and the common ratio. The first term is 12. The common ratio, we get the second term over the first term. This simplifies to 1 over 4. So the absolute value of r is 1 over 4. And the absolute value is less than 1 over 4. So what that means is that we can find, not 1 over 4. The absolute value of the common ratio is less than 1. So what that means is that we can find the sum to infinity. Okay, let's now calculate the sum to infinity. So sum to infinity will be a over 1 minus r. Our first term is 12. Our common ratio is negative. Let's not ignore the signs. It's negative 1 over 4. Extend this. Okay. So what we have is that. So we have 12 over 4 over 4 plus 1 over 4. So we'll have 5 over 4. So we are dividing this 12 by 5 over 4. So multiply that. This is what we get. So we have 48 over 5. The sum to infinity will give us 9. 9, that's 45. Okay. Or we can simply say 9.6. Okay. So that is how we find the sum to infinity of the GP, of all the GPs using the formula. I hope this has been very helpful to you and you'll use it to practice on more questions. Have a lovely day. I mean it. Have a lovely day.